Oh, Skorpios Builder Blogs, did you see it? Did you see it? We fought Yeti. It was a really good main event.
Not only did we fight Yeti, but we smashed Yeti. And then he smashed us.
And then we went back and forth.
And then we smashed the arena.
In probably the most equal fight people have seen all season long. That actually went 3 minutes. And then the judges just couldn't figure out who won.
Seriously, that deliberation took them like 5 or 10 minutes.
That's why they put the little sneak peek thing in there, because we were up there for like 15 or 20 minutes, and they were like, who won that?
How do?
So,
how do?
And I've seen a lot of debate online. When you have a match this close, you're bound to get a lot of debate.
Mm-hmm.
And I just want to sit here and say this. Thank you to all the people who said we should have won, but I really think the judges got this right.
The judges did get this right. Sadly. But also, yay, they got it right.
I hear everyone who's like, Yeti chucked them for 3 minutes. How is this even split? It's because we really rocked the damage category.
Yeah, we did.
We're going to show you the drum right now. We wrecked it. In fact, we wrecked it so much they couldn't fix it. And they just gave it to us because we single-handedly destroyed this weapon.
Oh my god, this thing is heavy.
Yes. 50 pounds of... So, when we went weapon to weapon, we cleaved through the S7.
This is what broke the light in the arena.
Yeah, when we took that chunk off the drum, it shattered the lights. And then, my favorite one, we couldn't figure out how we did this. Because, see this slot? This giant slot.
This does not happen in a natural Skorpios hit.
So, most Skorpios hits are perpendicular. Like, our wheels are on the ground when we swing.
Yep,
And
ideally.
This is not perpendicular. It's at like a 45-degree angle. So, one of us were in the air. And then, judging by the grain in the strike, we could tell we were spinning downwards and not upwards. And we're like, wait a minute, we would have had to be upside down in order to strike the drum this way.
Don't we want to be spinning down, don't you mean?
Yeah, I might have had that backwards. Good old dyslexia. But my point is...
this could not have happened unless we were upside down.
And in the air. And hitting Yeti.
While upside down.
And luckily to our friends Tony and... what's the other name?
John.
They captured this moment for us. So we could take our little detective work and discover, indeed,
it happened.
We struck Yeti in the air.
I did.
Yeah. Well, you see,
I was inverted.
At the time, as I was in a 4G jive with Yeti.
Yeah, that.
This is
Danger
so
zone! Highway to
And we got both pulleys.
Yeah, we did.
Both pulleys smashed. The tooth is smashed.
We pantsed.
The drum is smashed.
We pantsed Yeti.
No, we didn't.
No, we took his belts off.
Oh, well.
I am not the first one to say that.
Well, he officially gave us enough airtime that we qualify for a free flight.
Woo! Got our mileage points on that one.
It was an absolute incredible brawl.
Yes.
Some of the things I definitely learned. One,
Skorpios flies.
Yes.
Really well. He's durable.
The demon armor did some things I didn't expect it to.
Yeah.
The front plates of demon armor are thinner than our normal armor, like for the Tombstone special.
So our normal armor is 3/8 inch thick.
And when we do little forky attachments or weird attachments somewhere in Skorpios, we put 1/4 inch thick front panels on.
Because we have to gain weight back somehow to make weight for the attachments.
And I specifically welded the demon stuff really high because I've seen Yeti. He runs up, he does crazy things, and
he smashes.
I want to make sure he doesn't get anywhere near the arm, so mount these things high.
Would you say it was higher than Hypershock?
Yes, actually
so
4 inches higher.
He's got a sword.
Shing!
Sparkle, sparkle.
Yeah, this thing's very dangerous. Where's our safety glasses? By doing this and putting so much of the metal high up on the robot, it made us wheelie more. And it was really frustrating when I was driving, because the T-Rex blade already makes the robot pop a little more, and this demon armor made us pop a lot more. And normally I do settings on my radio to help get rid of the wheelie issue, but I had it all tuned for the Tombstone special that we used on Blade, and I just assumed since this weighs the same amount, not realizing the weight distribution was so different.
You know what they say about assumptions?
They'll bite you in the butt.
They make a...
Also, Diane and I have autographed some damaged parts of Skorpios after the Yeti fight, and they are now up on eBay. If you've ever wanted to own a piece of the robot, now's your chance.
So, the demon armor
Lesson learned.
kept the weapon working.
Yay!
Kudos! It bounced Yeti back, and his drum never made it to our arm.
It did that thing.
So, it did what it was supposed to. Unfortunately, it hindered the driving.
It brought up a new issue we were not expecting.
I guess this is why everyone keeps putting magnets on the base of the robot so they don't wheelie.
Skorpios and magnets, 2022 maybe?
I don't want to.
I don't either, but
I don't know
we'll
what it's
see.
going to do to the drive, and I like the way it skids.
Yeah.
So,
We'll
and
see.
yes,
We'll see.
I hear people tell me all the time, Skorpios must have magnets, you push other robots, but it's, if you've seen our duck video, the duck tug of war, we talk about how our wedges are designed to take our opponent's weight and put it on our wheels.
So magnets would kind of
Hinder that.
So...
Because we squish. I like my wheels. They squish and give amazing traction. And if they squish and we have magnets that are a certain distance away that then click to the floor, we'll stick to the floor.
Yep. But we do see that magnets are becoming more and more of a thing. And so it is in the discussions.
So subscribe.
just
And
not-
you might see us trying to figure out how to use magnets.
How do they do?
How do they do? Oh, also, we're giving away another prize to our subscribers. Go find the poker chips. And congratulations to Viper3690.
No.
You won poker chips. Woo!
Viper 6390. Do not listen to Zach.
I never know what I'm talking about. But
But you won!
please
Yay!
answer our comment on your comment to get us to put these in the mail to you. And to our subscribers, what would you do for a poker chip? Leave your comment below to win this set.
Be nice.
Keep it clean. I mean it. We did end our season at 1 and 2, and unfortunately, this is my first year taking Skorpios to a negative fight card season.
Womp womp.
Womp womp. Happens to the best of us.
Mm-hmm.
Literally, to the best of us. Mm-hmm. Some really senior competitors this year have had some terrible luck. The Vegas Heat was wreaking havoc on everyone.
Yep.
But I do want to thank all of the fans who've been wishing us well. I really appreciated one comment. Someone said Skorpios was only 2 judges' points away from a 3-0 season because it would have been very easy to flip either of those split decisions. And I just hope the selection committee keeps that in mind.
Yep.
We still have a chance, but it's a slim one.
We'll see. Tune in next week. This week. Tune in sometime.
I think they're announcing the 32 tomorrow. So we'll find out together.
Tune in tomorrow.
But from all of us here at the Skorpios Builder Blog, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and pressing that like button.
And tell us what you would do for a poker tip.
You guys might remember last week I tore my pants, and some of you asked what I tore my pants on, and the answer was this. Ah! I don't! Stop! Stop! Ah!
Let me pants you!